I'm not in a blue hair girl, but I just might be with this. Like, if I did not have this boho spray, honey, it would not be a good day. This bad boy will be sliding back. Body waves, girl, the parting space. The parting space. Tell me this style is not giving you all that it should be and more. Like, girl.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Unless you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with an oldie but a goodie, because I never tried this color before. But honey, let me just pop right into the specs of this one for you guys. So this unit is from Bobbi Boss. I'm wearing it in the style MLF244 Tania and the color number FS Navy Blue. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you get 13x4 parting space. It does come with HD lace. It is pre-plucked. And honey, let me just come in and show y'all what the hairline is looking like on this girl. So I have tried this unit before in a natural color, and I will link that review as well. And honey, it is just as gorgeous in the blue as it is in the natural color. But let me tell you something to note. The texture is a little bit different. Now, even though the texture is still yucky on this blue one as it was with the natural color, definitely do note that this one is a little bit more dry, a little bit more tangly, a little bit more shedding. Not anything too crazy, but definitely a noticeable difference when it comes to this color versus just the natural color. So definitely just keep that in mind. The length on this one is pretty good. I'm 5'3" for reference, and as you can see, it comes like just to the top of my boobs. This is all the hair to the front. The density is sitting around 150%. Definitely not mad at the density. I feel like it's like perfect. It's right in the middle. It's not too much hair. It's not too little hair. It's just enough for me to be doing what I want to be doing. Body waves, girl. I'm living for the body waves, girl. So the cap size on this one, y'all, to be honest, is definitely leaning more towards small to medium head friendly. I'm not going to go ahead and say that this is large head friendly because I feel like my head is on the smaller to medium size. It's about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference. And I feel like that's kind of the maximum point for me as far as stretch is concerned. This cap does not have much stretch. I think if your head is any larger than mine, then this one will be an issue for you, because even like as it is, honey, like I got it sitting where I needed it to be sitting. But honey, let me tell you, something. If I did not have this boho spray, honey, it would not be a good day. This bad boy will be sliding back. So I highly advise, if this is one you decide to pick up and you have a head that's around my size, you're definitely gonna want to go in with some sort of adhesive and like pat this bad boy down, because if not, honey, she gonna be sliding back on you. Okay, so let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My first con is probably gonna be the tingling and shedding that I was getting. Like I said, it's nothing too crazy, but definitely in comparison to the natural color was definitely much more easy to maintain than this colored unit. It's going to be snagging up on you. It's going to be clinging together. You're going to be getting snags, so definitely do note that. I feel like you can definitely get some wears out of this, but I highly would recommend picking yourself up some of my go-to Simply Styling silicone spray, honey. I have already spritzed some of that through to just get rid of some of those snags that I was experiencing. So I do think if you want this unit to sort of last a good amount of time, I definitely would say pick up that Simply Styling silicone spray, honey, because that's going to make your life so much easier. It's definitely leaning more towards high maintenance. So another con that I have to say about this unit is probably going to be the calf size. Like I told y'all, it fit in my head the way that I wanted to fit it, but I definitely would not have been able to get away with having it sit where it's sitting without my bold hold spray. So definitely do know, honey, this one will be sliding back. You're going to have to adhere it down if you have a head that's around my size. I think the fact that it is leaning more towards yaki instead of silky with this banging color is great to me. Despite the tingling and the shedding, I still would always prefer yaki. Like, I just feel like yaki is gonna hold up better than silky, like 97% of the time, in my opinion. Like, girl, I comb through this bad boy a good amount and you still see this body. You still see these waves, you still see this voluptuousness going on. So even with the cons that do come with the texture, I still am honestly gonna say here for it. The density, I feel like, is great. The body, the look of it, the parting space, the versatility the baby has, girl. Bobbi Boss came through with this one. Like I said, it's an oldie but a goodie, honey. So if you haven't tried this one up and you're trying to switch it up, I definitely would recommend picking this one up. But just like I said, honey, no, this ain't gonna be everyday hair, honey. It's gonna be special occasion. It's gonna be go out and do your thing, and that's gonna be it. So pretty much that's all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.